Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sloppy Joe burritos. Alright, I'm starting out here on a large scale. I have 2 pounds of ground beef that I browned up. I didn't drain the grease off because it really isn't that much on there. I'm going to start by adding in a 12-ounce bottle of chili sauce. And I'm going to make a really simple and delicious sloppy Joe mix for our burritos. And I'm going to take that chili sauce bottle, I'm going to add a little water to it. About 1/4 of a bottle of water. We're going to rinse that out and dump that in there. Alright, now to that I'm going to add some ketchup. I'm going to go for about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And what the chili sauce does, it gives it a nice tangy flavor, and the ketchup gives it a nice sweet flavor. And I'm going to add a little bit of granulated garlic. I'm going to go for about 1 teaspoon. And you could chop up fresh onion, you could fry it in there with the ground beef if you wanted to, but I'm going to use some onion powder today. Take the easy way, about 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to stir that up. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes till it thickens up and the flavor of the sauce gets into the meat. Alright, now that my sloppy joe's thickened up and I moved it aside for now, I have some flour tortillas here, and I have another skillet with about 1/4 of an inch of oil heating up on medium-low heat. We're going to go ahead and put our sloppy Joe burritos together. And guys, these are really easy. I'm using Munster cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I just happen to have this on hand and I need to use it up before it goes bad, so that's what we're using today. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a slice of cheese in our burrito. I'm going to break it in half like this. And I'm going to take some sloppy Joe meat, put it in there, turn that around like that, and I'm going to start by rolling this up. Then I'm going to fold my edges over and finish rolling it. I'm going to go ahead and make all my burritos. When it's time to get them in here and fry them, I'll bring you back. Alright, now that I have all my burritos rolled, I have, like I said, I have my oil on medium-low heat. I'm using cast iron. It gets really hot and holds heat. And I forgot to mention, I microwaved my tortilla shells for about 1 minute to soften them up. I'm going to lay my burritos in here, and I'm going to do these 3 at a time. I got 6 burritos, so that'll be 2 rounds. Alright, my burritos are done. They literally fry for about 20 or 30 seconds per side. It doesn't take long. Let's go ahead and get them out of here and fix up a plate and see what we got. Went ahead and I put a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese on top and some chunky salsa I warmed up. Let me get in here and give this a taste. Now I'm going to cut in the meat potatoes. I mean, you can see already it's packed full of meat. It's cheesy inside. You could always add extra cheese on the inside if you like. Get some of that sloppy Joe in there. Meat's really delicious. Has a sweet, tangy flavor. And guys, if you want to try easy sloppy Joe, do that recipe for just sloppy Joes. That's delicious, and it's really easy, as you're seeing. There's a nice crispy crunch on the outside of the burrito from frying it. Let me get some of that sauce in there. Really easy, really delicious. Perfect for a weeknight when you worked all day. Guys, that's really delicious and really easy, and it wasn't nothing at all to make. Alright, there you have it. Sloppy Joe burritos. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.